Arcup 75. The Arcup 75 is the ultimate floating mansion, offering the perfect combination of boat, floating house, and waterfront villa. With a length of 75 feet and a width of 32 feet, it provides an impressive 4,350 square feet of living space, including 2,700 square feet indoors. This eco-friendly yacht is powered by 36 kilowatts of solar panels covering 2,300 square feet of its roof. These panels not only generate electricity for the yacht, but also collect rainwater, enabling off-grid living. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, offering plenty of comfort and privacy. For added stability, the Arcup 75 features 440-foot hydraulic legs that raise it above sea level, ensuring it remains steady in any weather. With its luxurious design, eco-friendly features, and stability, the Arcup 75 is the perfect blend of modern living and life on the water. The Micro House is a small, self-sustaining home built for modern living. With 120 square feet of space, it's perfect for up to 2 people, making it ideal for couples or anyone seeking a compact, efficient living space. Weighing just 4,370 kilograms, the Micro House is easy to transport on a trailer, so you can take it wherever you want. It can be towed at speeds of up to 180 miles per hour, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. The Micro House comes in 2 versions, the Light model for $89,000 and the Pro model for $119,000. Both are fully furnished and equipped with high-end appliances, HVAC systems, and smart home features, offering a luxurious living experience in a small package. Its eco-friendly design and cutting-edge technology make it an excellent choice for anyone wanting a sustainable, mobile lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a cozy home or a mobile solution for travel, the Micro House provides the flexibility and comfort you need.
Mars 15 Premium. Adventure meets comfort. The Mars 15 Premium is a 15-foot off-road hybrid caravan designed for families who love adventure but still want the comforts of home. With its low-profile design, it easily fits into standard garages or carports, making storage hassle-free. Inside, it's built for comfort and convenience. A king-size bed ensures a restful night's sleep, while the U-shaped convertible sofa lounge provides a cozy space to relax. Whether you prefer cooking inside or outside, this caravan has you covered with both internal and external kitchens, perfect for preparing meals wherever your journey takes you. Designed for off-grid travel, the Mars 15 Premium is equipped with independent suspension for smooth rides on rough terrain. It also features dual 120L water tanks, 600W rooftop solar panels, and a Projecta PM400 battery management system, keeping you powered and prepared for remote adventures. With a smart blend of durability, comfort, and off-road capability, the Mars 15 Premium is an ideal choice for those who want to explore without limits. Invader Quattro X. Built for family adventures. The Invader Quattro X is the perfect off-road caravan for families who love adventure but don't want to sacrifice comfort. Its lightweight yet durable fiberglass body is designed to handle tough terrain while being easy to tow. The pop-up roof expands the living space, making it roomy enough for a family of 4 to relax after a day of exploring. Inside, you'll find modern comforts, including a fully equipped kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and a convenient bathroom. Everything you need for a hassle-free camping experience. With its rugged design and smart features, the Invader Quattro X is ready to take you off the beaten path while keeping you comfortable every step of the way. Starting price: $24,000. Loki Expedition Ford F550, the ultimate off-road home. The Loki Expedition Ford F550 is a rugged adventure vehicle built for those who want to explore the wild without giving up comfort. With its Ford F550 chassis, reinforced suspension, and all-terrain tires, this beast is made to handle even the toughest landscapes. A powerful off-grid system keeps everything running, so you can roam freely without limits. Inside, it's a luxury home on wheels. You get a fully equipped kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, a bathroom, and climate control, ensuring a comfortable journey no matter where you go. Designed for explorers and digital nomads, The Loki Expedition Ford F550 blends off-road power with premium living, making it the perfect choice for extreme adventures. Starting price: $560,000.
The Willy Transparent LCD Bus is an innovative concept that turns public transportation into an interactive experience. Its windows are equipped with transparent LCD screens that can display a range of content, from advertisements to scenic views, all while allowing passengers to still see outside. This cutting-edge technology transforms the bus into more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It creates an immersive environment, offering passengers entertainment and useful information during their ride. The Willy Transparent LCD Bus blends modern technology with creative design, changing the way we think about public transit. Instead of being just a vehicle, it becomes a dynamic space that engages passengers in a whole new way. This unique concept has the potential to reshape public transportation, making it not only more functional, but also more enjoyable and interactive for everyone on board. The Transit Elevated Bus, SPI, was a bold and futuristic concept aimed at transforming urban transportation and tackling traffic congestion. Developed by Chinese engineers, the TEB was designed as a massive bus that would glide on tracks above the road, allowing cars to drive underneath it. This innovative elevated design promised to save road space in crowded cities while efficiently moving large groups of passengers. When a prototype was tested in 2016, the TEB captured global attention for its creative approach to urban transit. It sparked excitement as a potential solution for managing the challenges of growing city populations and congested streets. However, despite its ambitious vision, the project ran into technical difficulties and financial setbacks, eventually leading to its cancellation. While the TEB never became a reality, it remains a fascinating example of engineers thinking outside the box to solve modern transportation problems, inspiring future innovations in public transit. The Mercedes-Benz Vision Van is a forward-thinking concept built to reshape city deliveries. Equipped with impressive tech, this van features a fully automated cargo area and built-in drones capable of autonomous deliveries within a 10-kilometer radius. It runs on a robust 75-kilowatt electric motor, giving it an eco-friendly range of up to 270 kilometers, perfect for zero-emission trips in busy urban areas. Designed to meet today's delivery demands, the Vision Van includes a smart cargo system that optimizes tasks like sorting packages, loading, and route planning. This streamlines delivery operations, saving time and increasing efficiency. Integrated drones allow for quick deliveries by avoiding traffic, expanding delivery possibilities within crowded cities. The Vision Van is controlled with an advanced joystick, providing a seamless, modern driving experience. Its sleek, futuristic look combines style with function, setting a new standard for urban delivery vehicles. With its blend of high-tech features, sustainable electric power, and innovative delivery tools, the Mercedes-Benz Vision Van offers a glimpse into the future of urban logistics, a cleaner, smarter way to get packages where they need to go. The Apocalypse Juggernaut is an incredible off-road vehicle crafted by Apocalypse Manufacturing, a Florida-based company known for custom heavy-duty trucks. Built on the Ram TRX platform, it boasts a powerful supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi Hellcat engine, delivering nearly 850 horsepower. This beast features a full-time six-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and robust Dana 60 axles, making it perfect for tough terrains. With an impressive towing capacity of 20,000 pounds, the Juggernaut can also seat up to 7 passengers comfortably. It's a truly standout vehicle that's bound to turn heads wherever it roams. However, this unique off-roader comes with a significant price tag, starting at around $500,000, making it a luxury for serious off-road enthusiasts.
The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus represents an exciting vision for urban public transportation. This innovative vehicle is designed to make city travel smarter and more efficient. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, the Future Bus features autonomous driving capabilities, which enhance safety and convenience for passengers. Its sleek and modern design offers a comfortable and spacious interior, allowing for a more enjoyable travel experience. Passengers can connect to Wi-Fi, access real-time travel information, and enjoy features like large windows for panoramic views of the city. The Future Bus is not just about comfort. It also emphasizes sustainability with an eco-friendly powertrain that reduces emissions and energy consumption. With advanced sensors and communication systems, the bus can navigate traffic, respond to road conditions, and even communicate with traffic lights to optimize travel time. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz Future Bus sets a new standard for public transport, combining innovation, sustainability, and comfort to meet the needs of modern urban living. It's a glimpse into the future of smart city transportation that promises to revolutionize how we move around in cities. Iveco has unveiled its groundbreaking long-haul concept truck, the Z Truck, which envisions the future of trucking with a focus on alternative energy, innovative technologies, and automated driving. The Z in its name represents zero CO2 emissions, zero accidents, zero stress, and near-zero waste of a driver's time. Designed by the CH Industrial Design Center, the Z Truck aims to improve fuel efficiency by up to 37%. It features a massive 1,200-liter, 264-gallon aluminum fuel tank equipped with a reflective foil layer to minimize heat absorption. The cabin of the Z Truck is built with the driver in mind, allowing for versatile configurations. It can transform for driving, automated operation, office work, or resting, all essential for long-haul journeys. Inside, you'll find a foldable bed, a shower, a kitchen, a fridge, a sink, and an entertainment wall, plus a sliding wall at the back of the cabin for added privacy and space. With its innovative features and eco-friendly design, the Iveco Z Truck represents a bold step toward the future of sustainable and comfortable trucking. Hyundai Motor Company just unveiled exciting new renderings of its innovative hydrogen-powered fuel cell electric truck, the HDC6 Neptune. Known for its expertise in fuel cell technology, Hyundai aims to lead the way in creating zero-emission commercial vehicles. The name Neptune pays homage to the Roman god of the sea, highlighting hydrogen's natural abundance in our oceans, an ideal source for sustainable fuel. The HDC6 Neptune boasts a unique fuel cell system and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped in a sleek design inspired by the streamliner trains of the 1930s, showcasing an Art Deco style that's both functional and eye-catching. Hyundai has a strong presence in the commercial vehicle market, offering trucks ranging from Class 2 to Class 8, along with buses manufactured across 3 international plants. These vehicles are currently available in 130 countries, reflecting Hyundai's commitment to innovation and sustainability since the 1970s. With the HDC6 Neptune, Hyundai is paving the way for a cleaner, greener future in transportation. Furrion Elysium is a cutting-edge design and technology company that does it all, from buses to TVs and architecture to interior design. Their standout creation, the Elysium, is a jaw-dropping, ultra-premium RV that stretches 43 feet long and is packed with luxurious features. Imagine unwinding in your own hot tub or enjoying a movie on a massive 75-inch 4K TV. And if you want to skip the traffic, this RV even has a rooftop helipad for quick getaways. The exterior design of the Elysium is just as impressive, inspired by the bold look of giant robot anime. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement piece on the road. The combination of luxury, advanced technology, and striking design makes the Furrion Elysium a true game-changer in the RV world. It's perfect for those who want to travel in style and comfort, whether you're parked in a beautiful location or soaring through the sky. The Elysium redefines what an RV can be, offering an unforgettable experience for modern adventurers. Daimler Trucks North America, DTNA, has launched an innovative concept truck under the Freightliner brand called the Super Truck. This vehicle showcases a variety of advancements aimed at greatly enhancing the efficiency of road freight transport. It achieves impressive fuel savings through advanced energy management, an intelligent powertrain, and a DT12 automated transmission. The truck also uses predictive technology to adjust its speed by utilizing GPS and digital 3D maps. In real-world test drives, the Super Truck has averaged about 19 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, or 12.2 miles per gallon, while driving at approximately 100 kilometers per hour, 65 miles per hour, with a gross vehicle weight rating of 29.5 metric tons, 65,000 pounds. The Super Truck Research and Development Project started in 2010 and received a significant boost from a $40 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy. Notably, this vehicle has exceeded the department's goal of improving the freight efficiency of U.S. Class A trucks by 50%. With the Super Truck, DTNA is leading the charge toward a more sustainable future in freight transportation. Ford has introduced an exciting new concept truck called the F-Vision at the IAA Commercial Vehicles 2018 show in Hanover, Germany. This heavy-duty truck is a perfect blend of advanced propulsion technology, clean energy, and autonomous driving capabilities. The F-Vision, developed by Ford's Turkish Design Center, is a Level 4 autonomous vehicle. This means it can drive itself without any human assistance, aligning with the European Road Transport Research Advisory Council's plans for autonomous heavy commercial vehicles. What's impressive about the F-Vision is its flexibility. It can operate completely autonomously when needed, but also allows for manual control by a human driver if required. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, featuring a battery electric drivetrain that ensures zero emissions. With its futuristic design and innovative technology, the F-Vision sets a new standard for the future of commercial trucking, promising a safer, cleaner, and more efficient way to transport goods. The vision of Ford's advanced truck showcases their commitment to sustainable transportation solutions while embracing the future of mobility. Introducing the Mitsubishi Fuso bus concept, which showcases the future of public transportation. This stylish and aerodynamic bus comes with an advanced autonomous driving mode, allowing drivers to take breaks or handle emergencies while still on the road. Inside, the cabin is designed for ultimate comfort, offering a private jet-like experience. It features lie-flat seats with flexible cushions that can adjust freely. By changing the seat position, the upper and lower cushions create a cozy, noise-canceling hood, giving passengers a peaceful and private space to relax or sleep. The driver's cockpit is a highlight, situated in the middle of the bus for a calming escape from the rest of the cabin. It's equipped with a range of high-tech gadgets and tools, ensuring that the driver enjoys the best possible experience while on the move. With its cutting-edge design and innovative features, the Mitsubishi Fuso bus concept sets a new standard for comfort and convenience in public transport. This visionary bus promises to make traveling not just efficient, but also enjoyable for everyone on board. At the 2022 GIAC Techno Auto Group event, GIAC introduced the Space, an exciting concept for a hydrogen-powered MPV that drives itself. This innovative vehicle has a sleek, retractable steering wheel and a striking front design featuring a continuous grille and a single LED headlight that gives it a futuristic look. GIAC's vice president and head of design emphasized the importance of creating a luxurious and spacious interior as people look for better lifestyles. The goal is to blend practicality with emotional appeal, making the driving experience not just functional, but also enjoyable. The GIAC Space concept embodies this vision, designed to provide a relaxing and comfortable journey. With its advanced technology and focus on spaciousness, it aims to redefine what luxury travel means. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation, where every ride is a unique experience. GIAC is committed to meeting the changing needs of customers, making the Space an exciting step forward in the evolution of personal mobility.